Professor Plum and Rio. These two weren't your regular rescue birds.
I just want you to pay attention to me. Me, I'm the flying one right now.
You never know what's going to come out of Rio's mouth.
Are you okay?
And you never know what kind of dance Plum's going to be dancing. They weren't the only birds in the house, but they certainly added a lot more chaos.
Don't eat her feet. That's not nice.
These were two very broken birds before my daughter saved them. We don't know much about their background.
Hello?
For Professor Plum, he was with another bird, and it was clear that they did not mesh. When we got him in the rescue, he had sores all over his head, and he was underweight. He was tough. He was hard to handle. My daughter, she'd been bullied and really struggling. Anna was getting to the point where she could handle the bird that nobody else could. The very first time they met, she goes up and boops him on the nose. Rio's a real tough story. We, again, don't know all that much.
Aw, poor Rio.
He was afraid and nobody could handle this bird.
What is that on the...
Anna decided, I need to take this on. And that's how we ended up with them. It just took them a little while, both of them, to kind of settle in. Anna kind of tells them it's okay to trust each other. And so they do. I can't tell you how crazy it is.
No.
Professor Plum, he has like that old Hollywood leading man vibe. Rio is like a crazy chicken that drank too much coffee. It's really funny to watch them try to work together.
Singing in the rain with a glorious feeling, we're happy again.
It's been so beautiful to watch her help these broken birds. She's helped them to grow, and in doing so has helped herself. They're a group of misfits that work, and we're just blessed to have them.
If you are rescuing or thinking of adopting an exotic animal, please make sure to contact professionals and do your research so that they can have the best life possible.